Hello, aspiring marketers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of marketing and why it's a top choice for your academic focus. So what exactly is marketing? Well, marketing is more than just selling products or services. Marketing is an organizational function and a set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers. It looks at the whole business from the customer's perspective and focuses on understanding customer needs and building long-lasting relationships. It is also the key revenue generator for a firm. Now, why should you opt for a focus in marketing? Well, for starters, it is incredibly versatile. Whether you're interested in brand management, advertising, marketing research, or digital marketing, there is a role for you. And marketing takes a holistic, experiential approach to learning, and the marketing courses at DeGroote focus on creating an exciting, immersive experience, almost like a mini co-op experience. In the classroom, you will discuss real cases and work with companies on industry projects. You will hear from industry leaders, practitioners, and domain experts, and you will gain training and confidence to operate in cross-functional roles. For recommended courses, every student will start with Commerce 1 MA3, Introduction to Marketing, and Commerce 3 MC3, Applied Marketing Management. We also recommend substantive courses such as Commerce 3 MA3, Marketing Research, Commerce 3 MB3, Consumer Motivation, and Commerce 4 MD3, Business Marketing. Finally, we have specialized courses in the Commerce program, such as Commerce 4 MA3, Advertising, Commerce 4 MC3, Innovation, Commerce 4 ME3, Sales, Commerce 4 MF3, Retailing, Commerce 4 MH3, Electronic Marketing, and Commerce 4 MI3, Marketing Analytics. Now, you might be wondering, what skills does a successful marketing student bring to the table? And successful marketing students exemplify not only creativity, critical thinking, and a passion for problem solving, but also strong teamwork and communication skills. They thrive in environments where they're able to collaborate effectively to work on group projects, brainstorming sessions, and working cross-functional teams. These students understand the value of listening to diverse perspectives, building consensus, and communicating ideas clearly and persuasively. So whether they're leading a new team to launch a new product or collaborating with colleagues to develop a comprehensive marketing strategy, they know that success oftentimes hinges on effective teamwork and communication. Beyond the classroom, there are countless ways to deepen your knowledge, expand your network, and gain practical experience in the field. Let's explore some of these exciting opportunities. The first option we have is Elite Seat, one of McMaster's experiential learning programs. Elite Seat focuses on taking education out of the classroom and into industry spaces. By partnering with external companies such as Canadian Tire, Hershey's, and General Mills, students have the opportunity to work on real-life problems and be critiqued by industry professionals. The next extracurricular opportunity we have is Mars Apprentice, an experiential learning program centered around case challenges in the fields of marketing, advertising, retail, and sales. For an entire semester, 10 students collaborate in 2 teams to tackle real-world cases presented by key learning partners, which this past year included Microsoft, PepsiCo, Jan Kelly, and TikTok. This program is designed to offer students in their 3rd year and beyond the chance to thrive and invest in an education that enables them to push their boundaries and enhance their learning in a real-world setting. Our last big program is the Canadian Marketing League, CML, a competition open not just to McMaster students, but to students all across Canada. CML is the largest marketing case competition in Canada and features a 3-phase process mirroring NHL, NBA intensity. In marketing, we focus on a mixture of both lecture-style classes and hands-on learning experiences that bring theory to life. One of the key methodologies taught within certain courses, like 3MC3, is the case discussion method. In these classes, students are given a new case study each week. They are tasked with analyzing the case, identifying key issues, and developing their strategic recommendations. Then they come together in class to discuss their analysis, debate different perspectives, and collaborate on potential solutions. Additionally, we incorporate projects where students work directly with real industry partners. Whether it's developing a marketing plan, conducting marketing research, or crafting a digital marketing strategy, these projects provide invaluable hands-on experience for students. Students not only learn from textbooks, but also learn from the challenges and opportunities presented by working with real clients in the field.